spiritual growth and a heart for safe teachings, as a heart for safe resistance against tyranny. Pahari Rajas were concerned about Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Sacha Pacha, rising power. Guruji refused to pay tribute or tax to Pahari Rajas. His stance was clear. He believed in equality and justice and did not recognize the authority of the recent rulers, and this was a bold act of defiance. His Rajas viewed Khalsa, a united, disciplined, and a fearless group, as a direct challenge to their power, and this created a hostile environment. In November 1695, Aurangzeb ordered Nawab Dalbar Khan and his son Rustam Khan for a massive attack on Anandpur Sahib. To avoid punishment from Aurangzeb in 1704, the general took 4 promises of sacred Quran and sacred Kaaba that no harm would be done, and they requested Guru Gobind Singh Ji to temporarily leave Anandpur Sahib to save them. The Battle of Anandpur Sahib and its aftermath had profound consequences on Sikh history, shaping community identity and future. The hardships and sacrifice endured during the battle brought community closure. It created unbreakable spirit. The Battle of Anandpur Sahib is a love story for Sikhs that symbolize Sikh dedication to faith, principle, and pursuit of justice. A legacy that continues to inspire us to this day. People die with mindset stone. By Uday Singh, by Jeevan Singh displayed bravery against heavy odds. Sailors like Pai Kanhaiya showed that equality remained in forefront while serving injured soldiers. Sikh breeds like B.B. Sharma caused stood long for Khalsa of Guru Sahib. Guru Sahib called his final fateh to Anandpur Sahib on 20 December 1704 and embarked on a journey to protect justice and righteousness at Battle of Trinkot. Battle of Trinkot took place on December 22, 1704. It's an echo to corridors of our existence today as a warm fiber of sacrifice, courage, a very commitment of Guru Sahib and 6 to 6 in Guru Sahib. A Sikh never gives up the fight. That is why they are undefeatable. A Sikh remain outnumbered, but they have a very high morale. The very presence of Guru Gobind Singh Ji with them infused invincible spirit, and they were ready to face enemy with determination and courage. Guru Gobind Singh Ji mentioned that, but there is no force left to protect its legitimacy to fight. This historical, significant battle where Sikhs brought blood, laid firm foundation for community to never back down and stick to her faith, even if it costs other lives. When Sikh was requested Guru Gobind Singh Ji to save young Sahibane, Guruji replied with salutation to all of you, my dear ones. For Baba Ajit Singh Ji at 19 years of age, Baba Jujar Singh 15 years of age for bravery, become martyrdom, following the footsteps laid down by their father, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Their martyrdom provides me strength to stand on my faith. It symbolizes importance for following parents' teachings and in its path to not fear for them. पहला मरकबू जीवन के चिराग हो समना की रेखा तो हाउ हमारे पास martyrdom of elder brothers make me curious, but at times it arises critical thinking me as a Sikh. If I were to blessed to meet my elder brothers Baba Ajit Singh Ji and Baba Jujar Singh Ji, I will ask them to bless me for meeting challenges of present and future. So when Guru Sahib looks at my decision and action, he is proud. Rakh Pita Prabhu Mere Mohe Guru.